When you think about old-school Japanese sports cars, the kind that focus on feel, sound, and mechanical connection, the Nissan 370Z immediately comes to mind. And the real heart of that experience isn't just the rear-wheel drive layout or the short wheelbase. It's the engine. Today we're diving deep into the VQ37VHR, the 3.7-liter naturally aspirated V6 that powers the 370Z. This is one of the last high-revving, naturally aspirated V6 sports car engines from Japan before turbocharging took over the industry. Now, for clarity, I'm focusing on the US spec Nissan 370Z produced from 2009 to 2020. Specs can vary slightly by region and model year. Under the hood sits a 3.7-liter V6 producing around 332 horsepower in standard trims, and up to 350 horsepower in the NISMO version. Torque is typically rated at about 270 pound-feet, delivered in a broad and usable power band. But what makes this engine special isn't just the numbers, it's how it delivers them. The VQ37VHR uses a 60-degree V6 configuration, which naturally helps with balance and smoothness. Both the engine block and cylinder heads are made from aluminum, keeping weight down while maintaining strength. This matters because the 370Z was designed to feel compact and agile, and a lighter engine plays a big role in that. One of the biggest technical highlights of this engine is Nissan's VVL system, variable valve event and lift. Unlike traditional variable valve timing systems that only adjust timing, VVL also controls valve lift electronically. That means the engine can precisely control how much air enters the combustion chamber without relying heavily on a conventional throttle plate. What does that mean in real-world driving? Immediate throttle response. When you press the accelerator, the engine reacts instantly. There's no waiting for boost to build, no artificial surge, just smooth, linear acceleration. And that linear power delivery is one of the defining traits of the 370Z. From low RPM all the way up to its 7,500 revolutions per minute redline, the power builds progressively. It doesn't spike. It doesn't fade early. It climbs. At around 3,000 to 4,000 revolutions per minute, you start to feel the engine wake up. Mid-range torque is strong enough for confident overtakes and daily driving. But as you push past 5,000 revolutions per minute, the character changes. The intake note sharpens. The exhaust deepens. And the engine pulls harder all the way to redline. This is where naturally aspirated engines shine. There's a direct mechanical connection between your right foot and the rear wheels. Feels honest. Compared to its predecessor, the 350Z with the VQ35, the VQ37VHR is more refined, more responsive, and more powerful. It also benefits from stronger internal components and improved airflow design. Now let's talk about the NISMO version. Nissan 370Z NISMO. In the NISMO trim, power increases to about 350 horsepower thanks to revised ECU tuning and a freer-flowing exhaust system. The difference isn't dramatic in daily driving, but when you're pushing the car hard, the NISMO feels sharper and slightly more aggressive at higher RPM. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual and a 7-speed automatic. The manual version is especially loved by enthusiasts, not just for engagement, but because the later models included Nissan's Synchro Rev Match system, automatic rev matching on downshifts. It makes you feel like a professional driver even if you're not. From a performance standpoint, the 370Z can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 5 seconds, depending on trim and transmission. That may not sound extreme by today's turbocharged standards, but the experience feels quicker because of how responsive the engine is. Now let's address reliability. The VQ37VHR is generally considered a strong and durable engine when properly maintained. Regular oil changes are critical, especially because high-revving naturally aspirated engines rely on clean lubrication for long-term health. Some early models experienced oil gallery gasket issues, and manual transmission cars have been known to face clutch slave cylinder concerns. But overall, with proper maintenance, these engines are capable of high mileage and solid long-term durability. Another reason enthusiasts love this engine is tuning potential. While naturally aspirated engines don't respond to simple bolt-ons as dramatically as turbocharged motors, intake, exhaust, headers, and ECU tuning can still unlock noticeable gains. And for those who want serious power, supercharger and turbo kits are widely available, pushing output well beyond 400 horsepower when properly built. But here's the thing, the 370Z doesn't need forced induction to feel exciting. Its personality is built around balance. Strong mid-range torque, high RPM excitement, rear-wheel drive dynamics, and a sound that feels raw and mechanical. And that sound matters. At idle, the VQ37VHR has a subtle but deep tone. Under acceleration, it develops a throaty growl. Near redline, it almost screams, a sharp, metallic V6 note that reminds you this engine was designed for drivers, not just efficiency targets. In today's world of small turbocharged 4-cylinders and artificial exhaust enhancements, the 370ZS engine feels authentic. It's part of a generation where manufacturers still prioritize throttle response and high revving character. It's also worth remembering that this engine powered the 370Z for over a decade with minimal fundamental changes. That consistency speaks to how well Nissan engineered it from the start. The 370Z may not have cutting-edge hybrid systems or massive turbo torque figures. But what it offers is something increasingly rare, a naturally aspirated sports car engine with personality. When you press the start button, you don't just hear an engine. You hear a philosophy, one focused on driver engagement, mechanical purity, and honest performance. And that's exactly why the Nissan 370Z continues to have a strong enthusiast following today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 370ZS VQ37VHR engine, let me know what engine you want reviewed next. Maybe the legendary RB26, the modern VR30 twin-turbo, or a direct comparison between the 350Z and 370Z.